County in northwest.
Let's go to this one since I missed that.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, east central Will County in northeast Illinois, Lake County in northwest Indiana until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles southeast of Beecher, or 6 miles west of Lowell, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cedar Lake and Lake Delacarli around 7:35 p.m., St. John around 7:45 p.m., Crown Point around 7:50 p.m., Shermerville around 7:55 p.m., Merrillville and Griffith around 8 o'clock p.m. The following locations may also be impacted: Ileana Motor Speedway, Indiana University Northwest and Lake County Fairgrounds. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for north central 4